What's up guys, I'm back with another vlog, and today I have some jaw-dropping news for all of you. Now you might have seen and heard the news from KTM. Yes, a bombshell on the adventure segment from KTM. And finally they have launched the new KTM 390 Adventure 2023. Now there are some tweaks that they have made, some changes in the graphics, and the most and awaited changes that KTM has done as introducing a spoke wheel on the 390 Adventure segment to make it more off-road biased. It gives the rider more confidence and helps to run a different kind of show. Now this is only because of the spoke wheels that is being provided by KTM. It gives the rider more confidence and stability on the twists and turns of the challenging terrain that they can offer. So yes, KTM has done a wonderful job, and I believe there are a lot of more goodies waiting for us to be received once KTM shares with us. Now coming to the most important part of the spoke wheels that the KTM 390 Adventure 2023 provides is a non-tubeless, and the shoulder tweaks that they have done on the graphics, a new design that they have come up on the orange color is very nice with the KTM written on it. That looks awesome. Also with the change in the chassis color, earlier it used to be black, now they have come with the bloody orange color. Now these are the few changes that they have made on the 390 Adventure for 2023. Now I believe that they have no major changes on the other specification of the bike, but these are the major things that they have done. We do have complaints about the low ratio gearbox thing. At a lower rev, the bike stalls a lot. I hope in the upcoming time they will be able to change all these kind of problems, and so that it will be much more easier to tackle difficult terrains on off-road, and which will help the rider to be more stable and on the bike. The new spoke wheels is non-tubeless. Yes, 19-inch on the front and 17 at the rear, so which you already have that on the current gen bikes. So I believe once the bike is launched, we will be able to buy these spoke wheels for the old gen bikes and can be installed easily on the old gen bikes without any hassle. The reason why we love KTM is because they listen to the customers. The manufacturing company based in Austria, they love to listen to their customer. They take their feedback, and finally, after a lot of complaints, basically it was not a complaint, it was a request that we made to KTM to get the spoke wheels on the 390 Adventure and removing the alloy rims. I'm not sure if in 2023 if they are going to have a 390 Adventure with alloy rims, and with the same time they'll be also having with spoke wheels, but let's hope for the best that the alloy rims is removed forever and we have these spoke wheels once and for all. If you do like my videos, please do share and comment and do subscribe, and see you on the next vlog.